Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the battery type and safety needs. This determines charging and handling. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection, then visually inspect terminals for corrosion or leaks. Use a voltmeter to read the resting voltage. Make sure it matches expected values for a charged versus discharged state. If terminals are corroded, clean them with a brush and baking soda solution before proceeding. Connect tools and charger, set to the correct voltage and current limit to begin the process safely. You now connect and start charging with deliberate steps. Attach the positive clamp first, then the negative to reduce sparking risk. Set the charger to the recommended voltage and a conservative current, about 0.1C, so you control heating and prolong battery life. Once charging begins, monitor voltage, current, and temperature, make periodic visual checks, and listen for unusual sounds. If the charger has modes, select the proper chemistry. If steady current ends and voltage holds, switch to float or maintenance mode. You finish by confirming the battery is at its float or resting voltage. Once done, turn off the charger and disconnect clamps, negative first, then positive, to avoid sparks. Make sure terminals are tight and free of residue, and store the battery in a cool, dry place if not used. If the battery won't hold charge, perform a load test or check specific gravity in serviceable cells. If results are poor, replace the battery. One key tip: if overheating occurs, stop immediately and let it cool before troubleshooting further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.